Hello! In this video I will show you how to install RAR application on CUBOT X70. So you have to start with opening your Google Play Store, then click on search bar and type in RAR and click search. And now click install. Now you can click open, and here you have to allow this app to manage your files and then click back. Now you can click allow and then click dismiss, and this app is now installed and is ready to use. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave like and subscribe.